Hey, this is your Insight Coach Poonam and welcome back to yet another interesting video on Graphology Fun Facts, where you get to learn how to improve your life by improving your handwriting. Can someone give you accurate information just by looking at your signature? Think again. Signature will give out only limited information, but when a graphologist collects a handwriting sample and goes through it, they can find out so many things about your personality. The volume of information is more when it comes to paragraph analysis. They can talk about your strengths, your inner self, who you are from within. But signature talks about how you represent yourself to the entire world. आप दुनिया के सामने कैसे अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करते हो, ये इन्फॉर्मेशन पता चलता है सिग्नेचर एनालिसिस में. Whereas paragraph analysis will give you a lot of information about your strengths, about your weaknesses, the kind of threats you have, the phobia you have, and how to change it by changing the way you write your letters, words, sentences, or so many things. That's why when it comes to handwriting analysis, opt for paragraph analysis, which will have signature as well as paragraph. If you want to learn more about Graphology, then do follow us on all social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And yes, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel. Until then, stay blessed, stay empowered.